I'm about to teach you exactly how to ruin your Akhirah by chasing too many interests, so pay attention and do the opposite. Step 1 to ruining your Akhirah. Chase every single interest that pops into your head. Start a business, learn to code, become an artist, and travel the world all at once. You may call it being talented, but Allah calls it Takathur, the obsession with accumulation. Do this and you're basically guaranteeing your heart has absolutely zero room left for its creator. Next, follow what the hustle culture tells you. Be a jack of all trades. Keep yourself so busy with halal distractions that you never have a moment of silence. Allah didn't just advise against this, He warned that this leads to Ghaflah, total spiritual heedlessness. But go ahead, fill your brain with 50 different skills. Focus is boring, right? Scatter your energy until your Salah feels empty and your dua feels numb. Sure, it feels productive now, but the faithful who choose Ihsan, focused excellence, will receive ultimate triumph. Ignore the warnings. Treat your time like it's endless. The Quran warned where this path ends, until you visit the graves. Now sit back and watch the regret arrive when you realize your 50 hobbies cannot help you in the dark. On the Day of Judgment, Allah will judge perfectly. No excuses, just the harsh realization, I was busy with everything except what mattered. Here's the twist. Allah loves quality, not quantity. He wants sincere deeds, not a cluttered heart. If you've been drowning in distractions, stop. Pick one path that benefits the Ummah and master it. You're not too late, just stop digging shallow holes.